Here's how we can do motion tracking on the iPad in Capcut. Let me show you exactly how it can be done. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, whenever you import the clip into the timeline, make sure it is there and everything is set up. But then you tap on it for all of the new options to appear at the bottom, and you can scroll through it and you should be able to find plenty of different things. But one of them is most definitely going to be the camera tracking. So you're going to click on it and either tap on the AI movement, which might work out just fine. Just perhaps give it a try if it gets the job done right. But if not, click on the camera tracking and you need to select like which thing is supposed to be tracked. Like you can focus it or select the tracking subject, and that might be the face, body, hands, or a custom. So depends on your clip, but you can click on the custom and you have like a rectangle around the screen which moves, and you have to select the subject. You can resize it in each like direction and point the dot literally at the thing which you want to like focus on, which you want to track right here, and then you can click on it, like confirm the tracking. It might take a while for it to load up properly, and as I said, it heavily depends on the footage and the thing that you want to track, but that's kind of how you can do it. Let me know if it worked on your iPad as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for the upcoming tutorials, and in case of any questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.